good, YouTube? Welcome back to 910 Rays. Today we got my boy over here.
What's good?
My boy Fredo. I'm about to give him this cut real quick. As y'all see, I'm kind of already started, but we'll get into that in a second. So today, I'm going to finish cutting his head, and I'm going to cut another homie today. And then from there, we're going to get into basically my next video is where my next duty station going to be at. But y'all give me a second. Excuse the mess over here because I'm about to move and everything next month or so. But we'll get into all that in a second. All right, y'all. We finally finished the cut. Got my man back in the game. Also, I am going to have more cut videos coming to y'all soon. Maybe I might do some shorts or some cut videos before I do leave VA. But, yeah, that's how we looking so far. Got my man back in the game for sure. Let me blow him off real quick. Nah, but for real though, my man really back in the game. I could not help myself. That was childish as hell. Damn, where'd my spray go? I done lost my spray, bro. Ooh. Hit on with that. Smell good.
Feel good. Look good.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie. I'm a barber too, y'all. If y'all barber don't end y'all for a little, a little smell good. Cause what that do is, and that make your old lady say, "Hey, where you been?" Know what I mean?
Yes, nigga. Cool.
Hey, y'all see the waves of the. That's all I'm saying, bro. How's y'all aunties?
Only the commissary.
Y'all see what your clients be looking at? That boy diddly diddler. Just look at him. Just look.
What did he?
I ain't gonna lie, y'all see that line though. That shit clean in a I can't say what I want to say. My mama be watching this. That's real, bro. I'm gonna be on my ass. I'm on my tail. She be like, why you cussing so much? I'm like, my bad, mom.
Yes, sir.
Ain't even. What's good with a 910 race? Today is Sunday. We got about 4 days before Thanksgiving. Today we're on a little Sunday evening ride. We ain't gonna make it too long. Get a couple of good little panoramic views of the bike and stuff, and we just gonna kind of just go from there. But y'all give me a second. I'm gonna put y'all on the helmet, and we're just gonna go on a ride. Just talk about next steps in life and stuff. Basically, little Sunday evening ride. I'm not getting into too much today. I do have some news to tell y'all along on this ride though. For anybody who knows what a good mic hookup is to record and ride at the same time, that'd be nice to know. Because I done seen so many opinions and options. I done seen so many opinions and options on bikes and stuff, as far as what bike is the best one to use, that I just want to know an honest opinion at this point. So for the people who don't know, I am getting stationed in a new location. Right now I'm currently stationed in Norfolk, Virginia. So right now it's November, so I leave mid-December, so I got about a month left. Give or take, y'all. And that's just me being generous. Y'all, I am getting stationed in Rhodes, Spain, for people who don't know. So I'm super excited about that. I've been stationed in Spain before, about 2 years ago. So I'm excited for it, but I do got bad news for y'all too, as well. Since I am getting stationed over there, and I am in the military, y'all. The military has rules and regulations based on what I can and can't bring. So in Spain, I thought I was gonna be able to bring not being the case at all. So what that puts me at now is I have to basically make a conscious decision between the two, whether I'm going to take my bike or whether I'm going to take my car. Like, don't get me wrong, I love my bike to death, and I definitely want to take that, of course. But to be realistic, and all the weather and stuff, y'all though, for real, for real. Alright. Alright, y'all. So back to what I was saying though. So as y'all know, like I said, I gotta get this moto vlog thing set up. But I'm in a predicament where I have to basically choose between my car and my bike. Now, before I'm telling y'all this, I done been thinking about this for about, God, how long? At least a couple weeks now. No, yeah, about a week and a half, almost 2 weeks. So, in my mind, y'all, I'm thinking, yeah, I can bring my bike in my car, but they changed the instruction to where if you're in Europe and stuff and things of that nature, you basically get your bike count as a personal vehicle or as a POV, and your car count as a POV, and you can only bring one or the other, unless it's under a certain amount of cc's. And I think it's like under 50 cc's, which is like the equivalent to a little mini moped. So that's kind of the bad news. Now, what my final decision is, I'm still thinking on it. No, I'm lying. I already done made my decision. Realistically, I want to bring my bike because I know having a bike in roller Spain would be dope as hell. But I know, realistically speaking, like with weather and rain and cold and stuff like that, it just makes more sense to bring my car in all actuality. And who knows, I might be able to find a little beater over there, and once I get over to Spain, who knows, I'm looking at that too as well. Maybe I'll find a little $2,000 bike and just ride that for the next 2 years while I'm over there. It's just something to get around town in and stuff like that. But we'll have to see. But with that being said, I also don't want y'all to lose interest in the channel as well. So I want to make this channel more than just about I want to make it more than just being about motorcycle stuff, you know what I mean? So I want to involve traveling and things of that nature, because y'all know I am in the military. I do like to ride bikes, but I also like to travel too, so I want to bring more aspects in to y'all. But I was highly disappointed when I found out that I couldn't take both. So now my 2000 Road King is going to be basically sitting up the whole time while I'm gone. So that is a sad part about it, but like I said, hopefully I can find like a little beater or a little bike over there that I could have there in the meantime until I leave, and then kind of just go from there. So yeah, that's kind of where that goes pretty much, y'all. But we'll continue this ride, then I'll let y'all in on some more information too. But for now, y'all good. Whew. Y'all see her? She looking good. She looking great. We are at Best Buy. So, like I said, I got a whole bunch of stuff planned out for y'all, man. Like I said, I want to start incorporating more vlogs and more travel videos into the videos and stuff. So, like I said, y'all, it is a beautiful day today. Nice outside, not too cold, not too cool. I didn't do like last time and only put on a hoodie. I guess that would make more sense to take it out that way, huh? But yeah, y'all, we just grateful, thankful, and blessed. I hope everybody, family, having a good holiday. We're gonna head into Best Buy real quick. Let me try to take this helmet off, bro. Alright, y'all, we'll be right back with y'all.